That's shaking.
Louis, take the plug out. We're gonna check the compression.
One of them here is not. Yeah, this is good. This one here, right? Number 7. This one, maybe the compression. This one, right? Maybe this one I tell you, maybe the compression. Because no misfire at all on this car. When we check here, no misfire. Cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is no misfire with the car running. So when we check this one here, this one, number 7. Only one.
Only one?
Check this one. You can check 2 in one time. Number 7, right? This one. You can check this one first, and then we compare it with the next one. Disconnect it first. I have light here. No misfire in the data, but when you disconnect everything here, each coil you disconnect, the car shake. But when we disconnect this one, the car doesn't shake. The engine doesn't shake. That means mechanical failure. Could be. You already changed the coil here, right?
Yeah.
You change this coil, you still have it. Okay, now disconnect. Leave this one here. Take it out, maybe. You have a space? Let me see. It's not burning.
No, it's not good.
Huh? Spark no good, or the cylinder is no good?
The cylinder no good.
Cylinder is no good, yeah. You see how? It's not. So open this. Open this, we're gonna compare the compression. Huh?
Oil in this.
Yeah, I see. It's not burning. Or maybe the coil, you put this new? Put new spark for it. I don't believe so. That cylinder is.
The compression first.
Open this, we're gonna compare it. We're gonna compare 2. Which one is easy for you to take? This one?
Let me know. Thank you. And let me know on the body control magic for 2010 expedition. I ordered.
This is 2008. Get the
Right?
Wow, no data on back order. 90 of them on back order. You're somewhere in that mix. I can't tell you where you are. Never mind. You ordered yours on 12/27. I got a guy who ordered it November 9th. Just going down.
Wow.
Okay, let me see.
Bad one. It's out there.
This
So
is
I don't know,
burning.
we'll
Good.
keep it out there. Just let me know if you find one or you don't need
And where's the other one?
Thank you.
it. Yeah, check the data.
Where's the other one? You have the other one? Just get the compressor test. Let's test it and see. Compare it with it. But this one is burning. No, nothing there.
I know.
Nothing is there.
I know. I know, sir.
You want to take something out?
I don't want the car to start.
Huh?
I don't want the car to start.
Say it again?
I don't want the car to start.
Oh, okay,
Why
okay, I
you
got
check
it.
the
Oh, when the
compression?
compressor just cranking, no start.
You understand, my friend?
Why not? What about the? Oh, I got it now. When the cranking, we just need to know.
Let me check the good first.
Let me see what you have. What good quality is?
No, I need a skinny one. I need a skinny.
The skinny?
The skinny one, that's big. Get the skinny head. The thread is
Ask
big.
Omar to give me one.
Oh,
That one for. But it's better to disconnect
What?
the injector. Anyone is okay.
Yeah, the injectors are buried. Look where they are.
But you have here, you have this one. Say,
Wait,
you have this connector, is enough.
that's not for me.
Hmm?
Yeah, I could do that. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I already have it.
But this one they put, okay.
Yeah,
You
but
already,
it doesn't do the whole.
You have the other
It
side.
just does one side.
So you have the same one outside, easy to take, but you don't need to disconnect and tie them again
It's only
because
for one side.
they already tied it with. Here's the one. Yeah, this is good.
This is a YouTube guy. You know, this guy YouTube guy.
You don't tell me. You don't say congratulations. I just reached 6,000 subscribers yesterday.
6,000.
Yesterday, yeah. Thank God and thank for all YouTubers. By the way, if you have a car, you are in Borough Park, Brooklyn, please. This is the owner.
Listen,
Aero
you can say
Oro
this-
Repair,
you
the
can say
best
this
of
on
it.
YouTube for-
Bring the car. You see it? And I'm serious. This is the way he do. And that next car there is Alfa Romeo and BMW there. He is one of the best Eurotech in Borough Park. Please check with him.
Don't trust him. Don't trust him.
No, you can say don't trust, but they trust what you're doing now. Okay, now cranky. What's supposed we got?
At least 160. 180. Don't stop. Keep going.
Keep going.
Take the air out. Go ahead again. Let it go.
Go.
Okay. Okay. Let it go. So it's good. It probably has injector problem.
Maybe injector problem, right? Because the injector will not show misfire. But you see the injector,
Depends. If
injector
it's open, if it's open, it might give you a code for injector, but it's not open.
is not open and it's and drop a lot of
Right.
and drop a lot of and drop a lot of fuel that it doesn't burn. But we don't have any code on the catalytic converter, like, or maybe it doesn't give no gas at all.
It's possible. Go ahead, sir.
Let's
Go
go.
ahead.
Go.
Yep. Okay. All
You
right.
see there is a difference a little bit.
Yeah, because the cylinder is wet, full of fuel, probably.
So
if
so
it's
that
not
means
in-
we have to
yeah,
check
so
the injector
The
first.
walls are wet, so he's not
Yeah.
gonna have all the compression.
So we have to get one injector first.
Okay, Louis, come. Where's the injector? This is the coil you change, right? Okay.
We can check the
Jetty,
coil.
the coil,
Where is the coil that you see?
to
The-
test the coil.
How good is spark, right? But you
Okay,
put
so
a
this is what we
new
do.
you put a new spark here.
No, we're gonna switch the plugs now. Give me the bad plug. Put it here. On this side. Yeah, the bad one. The one from 95.
The flooded one.
You give it to Mr.
No, I have this one, but that one you go with it this way. You never come with it.
Yeah, put this one here.
Why not test it
Give me the
first? Or
extension.
Okay. One control arm is broken.
Huh?
One control arm.
Okay. You wanna use that? Okay. Okay.
this is a snap-on tool, not hard fried though. Harbor fry.
We're fried.
You do it like it's fried right away. Hey, you still have it there.
Leave it for next shop.
I know you're not gonna go to next. This is look like the car with the
Better off,
same.
you better off and then
Okay.
okay, put the other one. Carbon
have this
fiber.
Maybe the injectors, because the compressor looks good. 187.
He's gonna send this Video to immigration department.
They don't need that one. They don't know. They don't want to fix cars. You need to get a. You need to get something like strong.
Okay. Póngame este adentro. Like that. Like this one. Like that.
Okay.
Okay, go
This
for it.
is you're using with this one. If you want it.
Hold on a second.
You don't want to put this?
Let's see if we have spark there. Okay. Okay. That's
Is
it.
there? Is there? Again, one time.
Hold up. Okay.
You look weak.
Hold on. Go ahead. Okay. All right. Put everything back now with the plugs switched.
So let's see now. We have a good spark. We have very good spark. Maybe we have good spark. We have injector port. Maybe on we have good spark. We have good compression. So maybe injector is no good. Put the plugs. I'm gonna put this. Must hit click. Yeah, put the screw. The other side, we're gonna put the. We're gonna check that. It's gonna tell us if the spare. You do this because you don't want the car to start at least. And this, even the mouse are here too. You need to check all this wire harness. Maybe the mouse eat the wire because sometimes they go inside there and cut the wire. Believe me, they are good on that. You see here already they live under the car. Now, okay, let's start it now and see what happens. See if there is any misfire. I push them. Let's see now. By the way, this is GL 2008. Okay. If it is I don't know Java. Okay, this is the key. Let me see. Is it okay? Let me go back again. Now, cylinder number 4. Excuse me. Let me go back again. Cylinder number 4. Okay, let me turn the key off. 1 second, 1 second. 1 second, 1 second. I see something here. Where is that cylinder? You see now everything 0. Now number 8. You see now here. Number 4. Now number 4. Mike. Number 4. You missed. So get me a spark there. Get me one spark here. You're right. So a spark, my brother. But why that cylinder killing the spark? Is that the first
Probably
time?
the coil went bad.
And it flooded.
Plug got flooded, and now it's not.
So when you change, that means when you change the coil in Misfire, try to change the coil and the spark together,
Yes.
one time. So not to
I
go.
have code for 2-cylinder, number 3, number 7.
So we have to put the spark and coils the same time. The spark and the coil together, not only
Yes,
coil.
sir. Yes, sir. That's how you say. That's it. That's how we're gonna
Yeah,
do
but
it.
what you did is good for testing it, which is good.
Well, listen, I don't want to start putting parts.
Putting
in,
part without
and the
getting the
compression
right
is not
test.
good,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah, I agree with you.
I try,
So here now-
try not to be a parts changer.
Hey, bring the tool. We're gonna take this one again, one more.
No, wait. I did already.
What?
I
No,
did, and that one doesn't work.
no. I say we need to take it. He put the stuff back. We need to take the spark
I
out.
have to order and stuff. Yeah.
Oh, you don't have. Okay. So the conclusion is that. Thank you for. Conclusion is that in this car, we are going to. Sorry, we are going to change. Yeah, we are going to change the spark on this cylinder because when cylinder number 7 coil go bad, they change only the coil. And you know, when the coil is not working, the oil and the fuel on the compensation chamber will kill the spark. So always try to change the spark and the coil together when you have a problem like this. We moved that spark here. Now the Misfire moved to cylinder number 4 from 7. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, Brooklyn, New York.